This is the Plush Show. Yup. This is the Plush Show. Yup. This is the Plush Show. This is the Plush Show. And welcome to the Plush Show. Yup. And welcome to the Plush Show. Yup. And welcome to the Plush Show. And welcome to the Plush Show. Bam! Boom! Dun-dun! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh man, I'm so bored today. Yeah, me too. And me. I'll just go out for a walk. You guys will stay here. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Guys, you want to play a ball game? Yeah. I love ball games. Me too. Everybody loves ball games. I'll get the ball games out. Okay. Wait a minute. There's a book here. I'll just read it. This book is kind of boring. Hey, Mr Blobby. Oh, hey, Big Minion. Were you here? Did you mean were you here? Oh, yes. Let me start that again. Oh, hello, Big Minion. Why are you here? That's better. Anyways, I'm here because I want to tell you, do you want to go to a bird watching contest? Yeah. But do you get a badge when you find all the birds? Yes. And it's the same badge as this school council badge. Big Beat Scottish in 2024. Wow, I'm taking it. Good. Now the bird watching concert starts tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to tell all the plush. Bang, bang. Hey guys, I won't be here tomorrow. Why? It's because I'm going to a bird watching concert. For how long? There's only 24 hours in one day. I don't know. I'll see if Mr Minion knows. I'll be back. Also, it's Big Minion, not Mr Minion. I'm just calling Mr Minion because he's a boy. Okay. Hi, Big Minion. Oh, it's you again. What do you want? How long am I going in a bird watching concert for? 4 hours. Oh, they said 4 hours. Okay. All right. In the bounce. Dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Bye, guys. I'll be back in 4 hours. Bye, everyone. Hello everybody, and my name is Mr T-Rex, and today it's the bird watching concert. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah, hey, featuring Mr Blobby, hello. Pirate Foxy, hello. And Cat in my Hat. Meow! Woo! Yeah, woo! So, you three are doing a bird watching concert. Oh boy, a bird watching concert. Oh boy. Oh, this will be great. Okay, find a bird in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay, what can you see? Oh, I can see a parrot. Is the parrot on the list? Yeah, is it? Is it? Let me see. Oh, it is on the list. Yes! Oh, you're looking for that? Let's tick it. Tick. Alright, let's find another one. Oh, I can see a robin. Tick. Oh, good. I need to tick one too. No, Mr Blobby. Why? It's because if you tick that, it'll just be like ruined. It's only one person can see it. If one person can see it and it's on the list, you can tick it, and then you can't tick it. Oh, okay. Also, we need to be quiet, you know. Oh, yes, quiet. Oh, I can see eagle. Are eagles on the list? Yes. Tick, tick. Wait, where's it? Oh, I can see the eagle. Tick. Dun 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 dun. Okay, guys, what should we do now? Go to bed? No. Okay, let's just play some games. Oh, games. Games, that's good. I like games. Let's play Spunky. Never mind, let's play Minecraft. I'm Steve. Okay, let's not play anything. Okay? Alright. Oh, man. Okay, fine. Oh, look. There's this comfy mushroom. Boing. Hey, oh, this looks fun. Boing. 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 That was kind of fun. Yep. 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 And yep. When Mr. Blobby, what? There's no time for books. Hey, why did you put that away? Because there's no time for books. We need to wait for birds. Okay? Hey, you need to be very quiet. Oh, sorry. I forgot about that. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What is that bird? That's a singing bird and it's on the list. Tick. Oh, I see it and I'm going to give it a tick. Tick. Oh, me too. Tick. Anyways, guys, so what other birds are there? Let me see. What? Wah, wah, wah. Psh. There's only 4 birds left. I don't think we can find them. Okay, let's just still. It'll carry on. Okay. Okay. This is nice. Yep, it is T-Wax. Hey, T-Wax. Oh, hey, boss. What are you here for? Where is Mr. Blobby, Cam Hat, and Pirate Foxy? Oh, they're still looking for birds. They only got 2 hours left. Okay? Oh, look. There's a bird called a handbird. Tweet, tweet. I think that's on the list. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes. After looking at so many birds later. Oh, finally, we looked at all the birds. Yep. Now, let's go to T-Wax. Yep. And yep. Oh, man, when's they back? we're back. Yep, and yep. Oh, that's nice. I need to call my audience. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Mr Blobby got him a hat, and Pirate Foxy finally found all the birds. Woo! Yeah, woo! Thank you, and thank you. You all can get a badge. Bam, bam. Oh, that's good. Dun-dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm back, guys. Wow, that was quick. Yep, and yep. And I got a badge. Wow, that's good. Yep, and yep. I'm going to tell Mr Minion that. Oh boy, Mr Minion will be jealous. Hey, Mr Minion, I got a badge from bird watching. That's good. Yep, it's very good.